Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daisy's English Bible reading class. I'm so happy you're here. Today, we're going to focus on pronunciation, stress, and intonation using verses from Acts 14 in the Bible. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. We'll practice slowly, and by the end, you'll feel more confident. Let's get started. Acts 14 verse 3. Bible verse. So Paul and Barnabas spent considerable time there, speaking boldly for the Lord. Considerable. This word has several relaxed vowel sounds. Practice slowly, then speed up. Considerable. Boldly. Connect the D and L smoothly. Boldly. No big pause between D and L. Put strong emphasis on boldly, speaking boldly for the Lord. Then lower your pitch for the Lord. Practice together. Repeat after me. Speaking boldly for the Lord. Great. Let's move on. Acts 14 verse 8. Bible verse. In Lystra there sat a man who was lame. Lystra. Some say Lystra, others say Lystra. Both are correct. Lame. Use a long A sound. Lame. Slightly rise at the end. There sat a man who was lame. Practice together. Repeat after me. There sat a man who was lame. Nice work. Let's keep going. Acts 14 verse 10. Bible verse. Stand up on your feet. At that, the man jumped up and began to walk. Jumped up. Blend the sounds so it's jumped up. Try not to overpronounce P and T. Walk. The L is silent. Sounds like walk. Say, stand up on your feet with a strong command voice. Practice together. Repeat after me. Stand up on your feet. Good job. Now let's move on. Acts 14 verse 15. Bible verse. Friends, why are you doing this? We too are only human like you. Why are you? Often sounds like why are you in fast speech. Raise your voice on the question. Why are you doing this? Practice together. Repeat after me. Why are you doing this? Great job, almost done. Acts 14 verse 22. Bible verse. Strengthening the disciples and encouraging them to remain true to the faith. Strengthening. Practice the NG plus TH combination. Strengthening. Smoothly connect NG to TH. Encouraging. Encouraging soft G, like J. Emphasize strengthening and encouraging. Practice together. Repeat after me. Encouraging them to remain true. You got it. Wow, you did an amazing job today. Remember, pronunciation improves with consistent practice. Just listen, repeat, and don't give up. I'll see you next time in Daisy's English Bible reading class. Keep practicing, and God bless you. Like and subscribe for more lessons.